Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is a dorm room essentials video from Dollar Tree. If you guys are new here, I am Keisha and I love sharing affordable finds in home, beauty, and fashion. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and also make sure you thumbs up the video. I want to show some love to those who are going off to college freshmen especially, and you are wondering what do you need for your dorm room. I had the pleasure of living on campus my entire college career. It had its ups and it had its downs, that's for certain. Let's talk about bedding. You definitely want to get some sort of a mattress cover to go over your mattress because, yes, they do recycle the mattresses. Just saying. A lot of schools do this. So you definitely want to get some sort of a cover just to go on beneath your sheets, pretty much between a layer between your mattress and your sheets. You want something like that. Dollar Tree does have options for you. The Dollar Tree that I was at, they had the twin available and they also had the full size and the queen. They didn't have a king. I don't think you would need a king anyway, but anyway. So they do have those available. I would definitely encourage you to pick up some sort of a mattress pad. It's a nice barrier, very hygienic. Also, I would definitely say to pick up some of these sheet rippers. So these are for your fitted sheet to hold them in place so they're less likely to kind of bunch up and come up, while you're sleeping and things like that. That gets annoying real fast. So grabbing some of these are great. You only need one pack because it does come with a set of 4 grippers. They also have pillowcases there. I haven't purchased the pillowcases from Dollar Tree, so I could not tell you how well they are or the quality of them, but if you are interested, they do have some. So a big thing for your dorm room is storage. You are not going to have a lot of space and you are going to need just about everything but the kitchen sink whenever you move into your dorm room, so you do not have to go without. So it is very important for you to have good storage with containers that you can put different things in, especially like food, clothing items that you are not wearing right now because it's not in the season, different things, just any and everything, you guys. Do not skimp on your storage. I really love that they have items that can go under the bed, they can go in your cabinets. They have color coordination because that's a big thing too. You want your stuff to be cute, or maybe you don't, I don't know. But they have a lot to offer. Also, you want to think about storage on your desk. They have a lot of acrylic containers, acrylic trays, and these are just great to make things look a little more stylish, and it helps to see what you are looking for. So it makes things a lot more organized and you can get to them quicker. I do want to mention these collapsible storage containers. These are very cute. They come with a hanger, easy to use, easy to store away if you're not using it. They have a lot of different colors, a lot of different sizes there at Dollar Tree. So I would definitely say to mix and match, put together what you think you would need. Also, talking about storage, I do want to mention food storage. So don't just skip past this aisle, you guys. You don't have to use these items for food. You can, of course, use them for other items that you have. But I definitely encourage you to look in this aisle, in the food storage aisle. You can use these things for a lot of different other options as well. You don't have to just stick to foods. And laundry, don't forget to get the items for your laundry, especially hangers. Dollar Tree has a 7-pack of hangers. They have white, black, and I think they might have gray at some locations. They also have the felt hangers, so if you want to be a little more snazzy and get nicer looking hangers, they do have those, but they're not a 7-pack. I think it's like a 3 or a 4-pack, something like that. I didn't see them at my Dollar Tree for some reason, but I know they sell them. And those usually come in black or gray. They also have face towels there. You definitely want to get face towels and hand towels. This is not, to me, the best bargain. You get a 2-pack for $1.25 for the face towels. For the hand towels, you get one for $1.25. I feel like you might be able to go elsewhere, but if you are a one-stop shopper, then don't forget that Dollar Tree has face towels and hand towels. Also, they have this $5 laundry basket in colors white and gray. Now, I did say $5. This is in the plus section, but it's a good size laundry basket. You're gonna need some sort of a laundry basket. If you are not into into laundry baskets, you may want to consider this mesh laundry bag. This is $1.25. It's a jumbo mesh laundry bag. I don't know exactly how big it is because I didn't purchase this, but these are options too, so you can get your laundry done. And you don't have to use it just for laundry. You can put other items in it, especially like sweaters, jogging suits and stuff like that. Whenever they're not in season and you don't need them, this makes it a lot easier to kind of push them away and out of the way. They also have the vacuum seal bags at some Dollar Trees. Those are a good option too, to prioritize and maximize space. Let's talk about hygiene. So of course you need to make sure you stock up on things like toothbrushes and toothpaste and mouthwash and floss. Dollar Tree has everything you need for that, let me just say. And they have name brands there, which makes it great. They do have Crest, they do have Colgate, so that is awesome. I think that's wonderful. They even have whitening toothpaste as well and whitening strips. So they have pretty much everything you need. So I would definitely say to go ahead and stock up on toothbrushes and toothpaste. It's those little things that you don't think about, and you get there and you realize, man, I only brought one tube of toothpaste. I probably should have brought several. Also razors, Dollar Tree has several options for you. They have a 2-pack of razors. They have the one razor with the suction cup holder for the shower. They also have a pack of the 3 bikini razors. A little bikini action. These small little 3-pack of razors. I've purchased these before, so they're nice. They're cool, I guess, just to have. But loofahs and sponges, they have a big variety at Dollar Tree, so just go through and pick out what works for you. I definitely encourage you to get one of the back sponges, just because it helps a lot when you can't really reach your back and you need to get back there and scrub. And also it helps with washing your legs and stuff like that too if you can't reach. So consider that as well. And also, like I had mentioned, they do have the face towels, so you can use those as a wash rag and things like that to take with you to school. And deodorant. Now, to me, I feel like you might be able to get more for your buck elsewhere. But like I said, if you are a one-stop shopper, Dollar Tree does have deodorant there. They do have several name brands also, which is really cool. They have Dove, Lady Speed Stick. I think they have Power Stick, which I'm not sure if that is a name brand. So you just different options. They have Arm & Hammer, I think, as well. So just see what your local Dollar Tree has. Also, don't forget things like cotton balls and Q-tips and beauty cotton pads as well. Definitely cotton balls and Q-tips. I think it's a good value as well, especially with the Q-tips. Those are the little things that you don't think to bring with you until you get there and realize you need it. Several of the organization baskets that they have can be used for the shower because they have the holes in them for good drainage. And I would just say that you may want to consider poking holes in the bottom of these to also increase drainage. But you could take these with you into the shower. So a good shower caddy is not always easy to come by, and to find one for $1.25, that's not bad. Don't forget that you're going to need to do some cleaning in your new home away from home, so definitely consider going over to the cleaning aisles. You want to get things like towels for cleaning up. Of course, you can get paper towels. I would definitely say to buy some, maybe not from Dollar Tree so you can get more bang from your buck elsewhere, but you do want to get some reusable towels because that'll help as well, and it's a lot more affordable in the long run too. So they do have options for that. They have Scrub Buddies that has a 2-pack. They also have a 4-pack as well. Then they also have the Handy Chamois. You've seen items like this in infomercials, so it's supposed to be super absorbent. So it's great to have these types of items available to clean up messes and just overall cleaning. And the Essentials brand is an OG Dollar Tree brand, and I love that they have this kind of make your own mop/broom kit that they have, Swiffer sweeper type kit that they have. So definitely consider purchasing some of these items to take into your room with you. I don't know if you're going to have carpet or not. I sometimes had carpet, I sometimes didn't. It just depended year to year which dorm I was living in. So if you know that you are not going to have carpet, definitely consider buying one of these items to clean up. If you know you're going to have like some sort of a kitchenette area as well, then you may want to buy something like this. Also consider buying some of their reusable gloves for cleaning and things like that. It will just help you out a lot, especially if you're going to have dishes, or if you just want to protect your manicure while you're cleaning up, bathroom spaces, kitchenette areas. Okay, let's talk about the other things outside of organization and cleaning and things like that. I do want to mention that they have these wall taps with 6 plug-ins. You can also get the ones with 3 plug-ins. And they have a power strip with 3 plug-ins. You're going to want to get some items like this because you're not going to have a lot of outlets in your dorm room. So, the more the merrier to help things along. They also have this 7 outlet power strip with surge protector, and it does have an on and off switch. So these are the types of things that you definitely want to have just to make things a lot easier when you need to charge things, you need to plug in your TV, your laptop, all of that good stuff. I also want to mention this USB laptop light with a flexible neck, white light. I just think this is nice to have, especially if you are sharing your room with someone. A way for you to kind of continue working without disturbing them. And if you are wanting to have a nice cute desk set up, Dollar Tree has you covered for that too. They have these small wire organizers, file organizers in gold and rose gold. Very, very cute, very minimalistic. They have a lot of different organizational items for your desk, you guys. So you definitely want to kind of go through there, see what you can find. It's just a great way to keep things looking nice and neat. I also want to mention this mini desk accessory kit that I found, and it came in shades of purple and blue. It came with magnets, paper clips, thumbtacks. I just thought this was cute, and I thought I wanted to share it with you guys, just something cute, something a little different. So you may want to consider this. Also, they have a ton of push pins, new cute push pins. So if you are planning having a cork board or something like that, these are just a great way to accessorize and add a little bit of flair. Also magnets and sticky notes, and of course you're going to need pens, and they have lots of pens. They have, of course, notebooks, writing notebooks and things like that, binders. So you may want to consider that as well. If you are in Dollar Tree doing some dorm room shopping, you may want to go on over to the stationery aisle and see what all you can grab. If you have not watched my other dorm room essentials videos, go ahead and watch them. They will be linked below. I would appreciate it. Again, make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thanks for watching. Thumbs it up. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.